Hello, friends. It's great to have you here. Get ready to restore your energy and rev up your brain. Let's start moving. I'm Miss AP, here to help restore your energy. But before we begin, let's start our warm-up. Today we're gonna do 5 jumping jacks. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice job. Now that we've warmed up our bodies, we are ready to exercise. Today we are gonna work on squats. The squat movement looks a lot like sitting down and standing up from a chair. Today, I would like you to stand in your ready position with your feet apart, hands at your side. Now we are going to bend our knees to lower our bodies, like we are getting ready to sit down in a pretend chair. Once you are sitting in your pretend chair, and hold it there, and then stand back up straight by pushing tall through your heels to stand back up. Let's try it together. Standing in your ready position, sit down in your imaginary chair, stand back up straight, tall. Try it one more time. Standing back up straight, tall. Now let's see how many we can do. Give yourselves a big clap, clap. Nice job. Let's start our cool down. Take 2 deep breaths in. Breathe out. 1. Breathe in. Breathe out. 2. Great job. Wow, that was awesome work. You just finished a 2-minute movement snack to restore your energy. Now get ready to jump back into learning. Remember, use the exercise snack we just finished to keep moving all day long.